Hello student, how are you all? Okay, fine. So we have started revision. I think that some questions we have discussed, and those who are writing the board exam next, I think that up to 2 months. Okay, when your exam is going to held, I think that already you may have seen your date sheet, but you can see that some questions we have discussed. First, resistivity, electric energy and electric power. I think that this we have discussed, no? Okay, very good. Electric power we have discussed, but today we will discuss resistor in series and resistor in parallel. Is it clear? Till now, those who have not subscribed, please subscribe my channels and like, and also press the bell button, then you will get the notification whenever I will upload the new videos for you. And also whenever you have any types of questions, okay, any types of doubt in any topics, it means another which I have not explained in this channels, I will try to explain such type of questions also, okay, but mostly I have explained. Is it clear? And which some are not explained, that I will try to discuss. But now come to the points. We have the topics, that's the resistor in series. Resistor in series. Okay, very good. So resistor in series, can you define what is the resistor in series? A resistor in series means whenever two or more resistors are connected end to end. Yes, that is called resistor in series, and having the same current passes through all, but the potential will not the same. Okay, but you know that what is the resistors? Resistors, that is the device which having the functions to oppose the movement of the electrons when we apply the potential in the circuit. Okay, very good. So suppose that we have questions. Fifth one I am taking here, resistors in series. Okay, resistors in series. Suppose we have this is the one resistor, another resistor, second, and this is the third resistor. Okay, now you connect these ones with a battery, and also you take here the tapping key, that is the K. This is the a small, here is a small, that is the terminal, this is the negative, this is the bigger, that is the positive, and current will flow through this positive. You can put this is the resistor R1, this is the R2, and this is the R3. So what will be the potential? The potential will V1, V2, and this will be V3. Can we write? Okay, very good. So already, because I have explained separate topic, you can see in my channel, and those who have not seen, okay, no problem, one more times I am going to discuss. So resistor in series, how you will define? Two or more resistors are said to be resistors in series if it is connected end to end and the same current passes through each resistors, but the potential will difference. Is it clear? So just like you can see that the current starts I flowing in these circuits, and I will also here means same current will rotate in this circuits. So according to Ohm's law, what is the Ohm's law? From Ohm's law, we have V equal to Ri. Okay, so how you will find out? You have to find out the R1, R2, R3. Okay, very good. So but you know that to find out this one, and suppose that here is V is the total potential, V is the total potential, then you can write V is equal to, what you will write? V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Can we write? Okay, very good. So you can put, this is the equation first. Okay, but you have to find out the value of V1. So according to this formula, V1 equal to, you will write R1I. Can we write? Okay. Similarly, V2 equal to R2I, and V3, okay, V3 equal to R3I. Can we write? So you can see that V1, V2, V3. Now you can substitute in equation 1. So you will write so from equation 1, put this value, then you will get V is equal to R1I plus R2I plus R3I. What you will take commons? Okay, I you can take. So here will be R1 plus R2 plus R3. But you know that according to Ohm's law, V is equal to Ri. Here you can substitute, no? Oh, very good. So you will write here Ri is equal to I into R1 plus R2 plus R3. This I and I will cancel out. So you have R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So this will be the required expression. Whenever 2 or more, it doesn't matter that I have taken only 3. You can take n, means 5, 6, 7, 10, 50 more resistors you can take, and you can join into it, and remains the value will approx like that. R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4, like that you will get. Is it clear? Okay, but suppose that you have to find out, okay, the total resistors, the value of resistance whenever many resistors are connected. One example related these questions I am going to take. Suppose that there are 3 resistors, one having the, suppose that 2 ohm, this is the 3 ohm, another is the 10 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 10 ohm, like that, okay, are connected in the resistor. So what will be the total, okay, resistance? Okay, so write down CS according to these ones. Since you have R1 is equal to 2 ohm, R2 is equal to 3 ohm, R3 is equal to 10 ohm. Okay, now therefore R equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. It means R equal to 2 plus 3 plus 10. That means what is the 15 ohm? Means total resistance. What is the value? 15. 15 ohm you got whenever the 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 10 ohm are connected into it, and the same amount of current passes through this one. So you got the total resistance. But suppose that here 0, suppose that 0.5 ampere current flowing through this one, then what is the potential applied across this, okay, circuits? If I equal to 0.5 ampere, so V is equal to question mark. Since we have V is equal to Ri, so V is equal to R, that means the 15, I that means the 0.5. So multiply this one. So here will be 7.5. Yes, sir. That will be the answer, no? Multiply this one. So here will be 7.5. And what is the unit? That is the volt. Okay, that is the unit of volt. Potential we measure in volt. Another unit, one more is joule per coulomb. Okay, this is the second unit. This is the second unit. Can you write? Okay, very good. So those who have subscribed, okay, thank you. But till now, those who have not subscribed, please also share in the group. Okay, students, because I make the step of class for you, for your what related topics. So please share and also subscribe. Now come to the another topic, that is you have resistor in parallel. Yes. So shall it erase this one? I think that mostly all you have written. Those who have not written, please you can take the okay captures. Okay. Next question, we have sixth one. This is the sixth one. Resistors in parallel. Resistors in parallel. Okay, so how you will derive these ones? Parallel means what? When 2 or more resistors are connected, okay, one by ones, and their terminal will means joint, just like you see according to your diagram. Suppose that you have one resistors, another resistors you take, another one more resistor is there. Okay, now join these ones like that. Okay, this is the resistors and connect with a battery. Okay, and you can also take your tapping key, okay, or plug key, whatever you will take, and join this one. This is the positive, this is the negative, so current will passes through this one. Okay, and V is the potential. Suppose that V is the potential, and now you can consider this is the resistor R1, this is the R2, and this will be R3. Okay, so the current will flows through these sides. So here will be current, because resistor is R1, then you will write here I1, this will be the I2, and this is the I3. It means the I equal to, you can write I1 plus I2 plus I3. Okay, very good. So first you have to define. The definition means you will write the two or more resistors are said to be connected in parallel if the potential will same but the current will flows through each resistors will different, that will not the same. Okay, so according to Ohm's law, how you will write? Okay, V is equal to Ri, and also I equal to, since you can write I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Now you can put, this is the equation first. Okay, from Ohm's law, what is the formula? V is equal to Ri, V equal to Ri. Okay, but you have to find out the value of I1. How you will write? See, you can write here, because potential is same, no? So you will write V is equal to R1 I1. Therefore I1 is equal to V by R1. Similarly, okay, similarly I2 is equal to V by R2. Another you will write, and I3 equal to V by R3. So we have all value. So from equation first, put this one. So from equation first, what is the equation first? I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Therefore you will write I is equal to V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3. Okay, now you can take common I is equal to, you take common V, so here will be 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Okay, but we have Ohm's law, since also we can write, you can substitute equation second. Okay, so V is equal to, what you will write? V equal to here, or I is equal to V by R. I is equal to V by R, equation third. And now you can see that I is equal to something, and here is also I is equal to something. It means, so from equation 2 and third, what you will write? You will write V by R is equal to V into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So this V and V will cancel out. Finally you have 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So this is the relation you got. Okay, student? But you will also find out the numericals. Suppose that the here is, suppose that 12 volt, okay, potential is applied in this wires, and the resistors here is connected. One is the, suppose that 5 ohm, next is the 10 ohm, and here is suppose that 20 ohm. Okay, 5, 10 and 20 ohm are connected in parallel. Then how you will solve? You know that since 1 by R is equal to 1 by 5 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20. You will find out the total resistors. How you will find out? First you will take the LCM. You know LCM, how you will find out? Okay, so 5, 10, 20. Then here will be 2 times you can take 5, 10. Then here will be 5, 1, 1, 2. Multiply this one. 5 to the 10 to the 20. It means you will write here 20. Divide by 5. Here will be 4. 20 divided by 10. 2. 20 divided by 20. Here will be 1. It means 7 by 20. 7 by 20. That is 1 by R. Therefore, R is equal to 20 by 7. 20 by 7. Now divide this one. Approx. What is the value? So you can write 7 to the 14. 7 to the 14. That is the 6. 0. 7. 8 the 50. About 2.8 like that. Approx. Okay. and this unit is ohm. This unit is, that is the resistor we measure in ohm. Very good, resistor. Now come to the points. And suppose that we got these ones and potential is there, but what is the current passing through these? So you can take here total current also you can find out, individual currents also you can find out. Since you have V is equal to Ri, therefore I is equal to V by R. V, that is the 12, R, that is the 2.8. 2.8. Now you have to divide this one. So here will be 0, 120. Okay, you can cancel out. Okay, you can cancel out. So that will be the I is equal to 120 by 28. You can cancel out. I think that 4 times it will be cancel out. 4 times, that means the this will be 7 4s are 28 and 3 4s are 37. Means about 4 point something. I think that the answer will come. So you will write itself. You will write itself. How? Means you have I is equal to 30 by 7. 30 by 7. And you can divide. So 7 4s are 28. Balance 2. So 7 6. Okay. 7 2s are 40. Like that. Approx value you will get. Okay. This is the current. So it will be unit ampere. Okay. Means here you got I is equal to 0, what? 4.2 ampere. I is equal to 4.2 ampere. But what will be through this one and another? So how you will find out? Okay. See. Now this formula you have, V equal to which formula you will take? This one. Okay, current you have to find out. So I1 is equal to V by R1. It means V12 by R1. What is the value of R1? 5. Okay. So I1 this value you got. I2 how you will find out? I2 that is the 12 by 10. And I3 you will find out 12 by 20. So all you can find out like that. This will be ampere and ampere. You can write. Okay, you can remove these fractions. Is it clear? Okay, such type of question, only example I have given, but there are so many questions related your network you will find out. Okay, but one more question is there. What is the Joule's law? Joule's law, that is the Joule's law of heating effect. Okay, you know that whenever the current flows continuous in a circuit, what happen? Heat produce. Okay, so heat depends on following factor. What is the factors? Joule's law. According to Joule's law, it states that when the current flows through the conductor, through the circuit, through the resistance, so flow of current the heat generates, and heat depends upon means heat is directly proportional to the square of the currents. Okay, heat is also directly proportional to the resistance. Okay, and heat is directly proportional to the time taken. Okay, now combine this one. Suppose that equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. Okay, now combine equation 1, 2 and 3. So you will write H directly proportional I square R T. Remove this one. So here will H is equal to K I square R T. And in SI unit, K is equal to 1. Therefore, H is equal to I square RT. So this is the Joule's law of heating effect of currents. That means you can find out the relations related that one. How you will find out how much heat is generated in the circuit? Suppose there is a circuit in which, suppose that this is the like that resistors, and suppose that here is the 20 ohm resistors, 50 ohm, 100 ohm, 200, whatever I am taking. Suppose that 100 ohm resistor is connected. What is 100 resistor is connected? Okay, and for 5 seconds the current is allowed to pass. Okay, how much current? Suppose that 1 ampere current is flowing. It may be 2 ampere, whatever you will take, no problem. Suppose that 2 ampere current flows through this one. So H is equal to I, that is the 2 square into 100 into 5. Multiply this one, 4 into, okay, 5 into 100. So here will be 5 4s are 20 and 2 0 will this one. So H is equal to, means what is the 2000 and unit is joule. Unit is in joule. Heat we measure in joule. Okay. So students, such type of questions we will discuss in another class also. But you should write this one. That's the very important questions for 10th and 12th students. And such type of questions I think that you will search in the net. And this is the viral, okay, question. Viral question, you know, it means mostly you will see that all the questions available in the question banks or all type of questions. So you can say that this is the important questions, VVI questions, viral questions for the board, either whatever any board it may be, or those who are preparing for JEE mains, advanced, or all type of the competitions. You must see, because this is the base. This is the base, and according to that you can solve the questions. Okay, student. Till okay, thank you.